Hey, that's it, guys. The starter is alive. So let's start to weigh up the flour and the salt and everything. So we're gonna try. Yeah? I was scared. So the starter, I refresh it 4 times. I had a little bit. I had like 700 gram quantity-wise of my old starter defrosted, and I refreshed it with 400 flour, 400 water, 4 times. All right, so let's take some flour. We need 1,500. There. Okay, so now we've got our 1,500 gram of flour and we need the scale. I'm going back to the kitchen. It's very exciting. So, we need a bowl. Let's get the bowl. This. Should I get my big bowl, mixing bowl? Yeah. As well, and that's it. I need a socket adapter as well. There. Okay, same amount as the starter, 1,500. Who is very moosey, is very much alive, which is a relief. And 600 gram of water. Okay, 600 gram, which goes into the starter. Yeah. And in the flour, we're gonna put 40 gram of salt. So this is only table salt. I should have used like some proper nice salt. Trying to get some locally made salt, probably from Camargue, more in the south, by the sea. Okay. So, liquid goes in. Need a scraper. My mixing bowl. My flour with the salt. Let's mix that. We need this one too. Let's go. Okay. Haha, welcome in my garage. Well, the garage of the house we're renting. There's so much things here, it's crazy. But I'm in my little bakery station here. So cute. Right, socket first. Chuck. My bowl, my hook. Ooh. First speed. It's awesome. Okay, so we're gonna mix it on first speed for 5 minutes, and then another 5 to 7 minutes on second speed. All depends on the consistency of the dough. It should look like very silky, very creamy, and around 24-25 degrees. But then it all depends of the flour we're using. This one looks like he has drank lots of water. Soon we find out. Yeah, it looks like very dry. This flour might be a bit too dry. Probably because of the sun, it's like zero humidity. I'm gonna give it a mix and see how it goes. If it's missing water, we can always top it up like that on second speed at the end of the cycle, which is called bassinage. So it's a technical term. By adding water at the end of the process, it makes a dough more aerated, and it makes a difference actually. The smell is really nice. I can't wait to bake that. Alright, the first bit has gone. We're gonna put second speed now. The dough looks a bit stiff, so we'll add water at the end of the 5 minutes. Alright guys, 5 minutes has gone on second speed. Let's have a look. See? It has a very shiny consistency, but it's very stiff. Too stiff for me. See, it's like very... So we're gonna add a bit of water. It looks quite heavy. Push that down. I push the dough all the way down. Allez. Here I got 200 grams of water, which I cleaned my bowl with, where I used weighed up the starter, so I cleaned it with water, so I'm not wasting any starter. Little bit at a time. The last few drops, and it looks like the 200 is exactly what it needs. I'll put some on the floor. Like 5 grams, it's okay. Yeah. It reminds me hugs. Nice. So it's nice starting to finish to get all the humidity, all the water, what's stick on the side. So it cleans the bowl basically. And I think it's ready. Oh yes, that's much better. Look. Look at that. This creaminess, this shininess. Let's go outside, you'll see better. You see? That kind of consistency. It's very creamy. Shiny, very silky. That's perfect. Very nice. Let's go in the kitchen. Right, let's take it out. That's awesome. A little dust, just tiny dust. Don't want to incorporate more flour. This is the perfect consistency. Oh, look at that, lovely. The color of this flower is insane. So beautiful. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna cut it in half. We can wet our hands. Let's wet our hands so we don't add flour, but the dough won't be stick so much. Okay, so let's use that dough then. We're gonna give it some fold, like that. Yeah, and that's gonna rest in there. Same with this one. I'm quite happy to have this little bench with wood. That's pretty cool. Look at this beautiful dough, it's so shiny. There. That's it, those two babies. We're gonna wait for them to grow. And then we will shape it. So see you in a bit then. So this is 4 hours later. It's been resting in those box so for at least 4 hours, and they have double the volume. Yeah, so that's a very good news. 4 hours because it's quite fresh here. I mean it's like around 20 degrees, so that's why it took a little while, and because the starter has just been refreshed and maybe is not strong enough yet. Usually when I used to do it in my bakery, it was much faster, like in 2 hours it was done, you know. So little dusting on top, and we're gonna shape them. So let's start with this one. Turn it over. Okay. Fold it in two. They feel very light. That's good. Little scale. So I forgot my sourdough basket, proving basket. So I'm gonna have to play with bowls, dishcloths, and that's it. So we're gonna wake them up at 600. Yeah, that's one. So let's turn them around, and we're gonna shape them. This one we're gonna do like balls. So we bring back the outside to the inside. Turn it around. A bit of flour in my hands. And with the help of the scraper, I'm just gonna ball it. Nice and tight. This will be the same. Turn around. And let's tighten it up. So we're gonna use those two balls a cloth. Up. This one as well. Let's take some flour. Lots of it, so it had a nice and crusty flour crust. Okay. I'm gonna put them up, upside down, up. Lovely. This one, we're gonna shape it same as a baguette. And we're gonna put it here. Up. Inside out as well. I'll probably be able to put 3 here. See, I do a little fold. A little fold. I can put another one here. So that's it. So we have the 3 balls and the 3 long ones. So the house is at 20 degrees, so they're gonna prove overnight, gently. It's just like a slow proving. And hopefully they will be ready to bake tomorrow. If I don't have time to bake it in the morning early, I will stick them in the fridge so they seize until I'm ready to bake them. See, so they don't overprove. That's all. So next video, it will be the baking of them, and I can't wait. See ya!